Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to withdraw promo money from Prizepicks. Promo money are an in-app currency awarded to Prizepicks members during various promotions. You may not withdraw from your promo fund balance, but you may use it for your lineup submission. So how you can do it? For this, first go to prizepicks.com. After go to prizepicks.com and select three icon from the top right corner. Then after selecting it, you will see a bunch of options. From here, select and tap on Help Center. Then from this section, you will see depositing and withdrawing section. In this section, just tap on withdrawing funds and follow the prompts to withdraw your promo money, and that's it. And that's how you can withdraw your promo money from Prizepicks.